80 animals.
Leopard.
Hi again! Welcome back to 80 Animals. How are you today? I'm very good. Are you enjoying this class? Good! Today we will learn about leopards. This is a leopard. It has many black spots. Let's begin this class by looking at pictures to learn words.
Desert. This is a desert. A desert is a large area of sandy land. There is very little water, very little rain, and very few trees in a desert. Hump. Look at the arrow. It points to the hump of a camel. A camel has a hump or two on its back. Luggage. When you travel, you take a suitcase or bags with you. The suitcase and bags are luggage. In the picture, the man goes on a trip. He has his luggage. The arrow points to his luggage.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Hunt. Climb. Pray.
It's time to read a story. After you read, you'll take a quiz.
Look at the animal in the picture. The animal is a very large cat. It has a lot of spots on its skin. The animal is a leopard. Leopards live in Africa and Asia. Its main food is other animals. It hunts other animals, usually at night. A leopard can climb very well. It rests in a tree. It even eats its prey in the tree. There are much fewer leopards now than in the past. It's because people kill leopards for their skin. What does a leopard have on its skin? Spots. Stripes. When does a leopard usually hunt other animals? In the morning. At night. What is true about a leopard? It climbs trees very well. There's a higher number of leopards now than in the past.
Did you like the class? Great! I did too. That's all for now. Goodbye.